showing you how to make Levain style chocolate chip cookies. I've seen these cookies everywhere and they look so good. They're thick and gooey, but I've never had the chance to try them. So I thought that I would try to make them in my own home in Australia and then share the recipe with you guys as well. So I've searched online, found 1,000 different recipes. I looked at the photos, I looked at reviews, and I tried to compile everything into what I think is the best representation of their cookie, and it is amazing. So I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started.
First, we're going to toast our walnuts to remove the bitterness and give them some crunch. I'm toasting them in my air fryer, but you can do it in your oven as well. To remove the skins of the walnuts, we're just going to rub them between tea towels. Break apart any larger pieces and put them aside. Into the bowl of a stand mixer, we're adding our sugar, brown sugar and butter and beating them until they come together. Now we're adding 1 egg and beating that until just combined. Now add the flour, cornstarch and baking soda and mix that until the dough comes together. Finally, add your roasted walnuts and chopped milk chocolate and mix that until just combined. Now portion the cookie dough into 4 large balls weighing about 170 grams each. Place the balls on a baking sheet lined with baking paper or a silicone mat and chill for 1 hour in the fridge. Remove from the fridge and bake for 13 to 15 minutes at 200 degrees. Remove from the oven and let cool for 30 minutes and then you're done.
And that's it, my Levain style chocolate chip cookie recipe. These are actually so easy to make and they are amazing. One of the best chocolate chip cookies I've ever had, and that's saying something because I've had a lot of chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, let's give it a try. It's so good, they're crispy and gooey, and the walnuts give it that extra crunch and a little bit of bitterness, which goes so well with it. You should definitely try this recipe out. It is amazing. If you can't get Levain cookies, or you're in another part of the world like me. If you did like this recipe, make sure to give me a thumbs up and comment down below what else you'd like me to make. And I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!